Hey guys, Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Buckhead East in Richmond Hill, Georgia. I'm previewing the Richardson plan from Mungo Homes. Great 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath floor plan with 2466 square feet. Let's check it out. All right, so as you can see, here's the front of the home. I love the way they did this one. Like different accents. I think I've noticed it on several of their homes. They got a lot of different textures going on in the fronts of their homes. It's fantastic. 2-car garage, as you can see. Love the porch right there. You can put rocking chairs, maybe a little table. You can drink coffee and look at the woods. Maybe Bambi will come out for you. You never know. All right, let's get in here on the Richardson. I like the foyer area right here. You can put a little table right there for throwing your keys maybe. You know what I'm saying? Just cha-ching, and then boom, rounded archways going through. Oh, that light fixture right there. We can go forward, which we're not right now. Well, actually, we're probably gonna come back through here, but I wanna check this out real quick. Dining room area. There it is, dining room area right there. All right, nothing fancy, but efficient, right? Goes right through to the pantry, butler's area, dry bar, we're gonna call it, into the kitchen. But yeah, nice size. You can put a long table in here, probably fit 8, 10 guests at your dinner. As you can see over here, you get your coat closet. We're not gonna check that out. 2 coat closets actually, or this is actually the half bath, excuse me. That's the coat closet. This is the half bath. Right there, bang. LVP floors throughout, as you can see. Love that. Well, the great thing about this floor plan is there is a, what they call a mother-in-law suite in the game. But here, right now, we're talking about living room and kitchen action. Look at how big this living room is. Love it. Right there. These wide open into the kitchen right there. Quartz countertops. And look at all this space for bar stools. You can fit probably at least 5. You know, at least 5 people right there. Got your stainless steel appliances right here. Bang. Lots of storage. Okay, not only storage for, you know, the kitchen area right here, but you can all put your fancy like chinaware in there. Nice. It could be a dry bar, whatever you like. And then the pantry is a nice size, sectioned off for your pleasure. And of course, there's the dining room right there, kitchen right there. And I want to show you the room that's down here, guest bedroom if you like. Could be the primary if you want it to be. A little small for a primary, because the primary, I'm gonna tell you right now, is woo, large. This is just about perfect for a guest room. You know, they got their own space, you know, they got a closet right here. You know what I'm saying? They're on the first floor, and then you got this right here, their own bathroom. Of course, I mean, they're living in a hotel, you know what I'm saying? So your guests are handled. Boom, or like they call it, mother-in-law suite, if that's what you want it to be, you could definitely do that. But tons of space. Let's go to the garage real quick, just real quick. 2-car garage, you saw it from the outside. Let's go see it from the inside now. Water heaters in here, as you can see. Nice size. If you like working on cars and stuff like that, you got the room in here. It's fantastic. Let's go upstairs. Now we're at the top of the stairs. I mean, look at that. And you got a little drop-off spot right here. If you wanted to put like a chair, maybe a lamp or something like that, right there, just hanging out reading. I don't know what you're into. We're gonna, you know what? We're gonna go to the primary bedroom first, because it is spectacular. By the laundry room right here. We don't want to miss that since we're already here. You know, see the wet area's got the LVP on it. Folding table. That's great. And then boom, it's like a football stadium in here. Holy cow, tray ceilings, as you can see, but man, I mean, I don't think, like, you could put a car in here, literally. You can put a car in here, no problem. That's how big this room is. Holy cow. You know, Jeep, Grand Cherokee, maybe even an Escalade? Yeah, probably. Oh, definitely. All right, then you get your quartz countertop right here. Dual vanity, love that. White cabinets, LVP floors, you know. In the wet areas up here, you got your standing shower, tiled all the way up. Love the glass doors right there. You got your Linen closet right there. Boom. And then you got your walk-in closet right here. Very interesting. Yeah, so both sides you got, you know, plenty of space to do what you need to do with your shoes and clothes and coats and comforters and all that good stuff. All right, let's go to the rooms. Now, I'm gonna save the bonus room for last. It's an odd shape. Sorry, here we go. So I will say this. These rooms probably fit more like a queen. There is no doubt, because they're a little bit smaller, but I mean, they'll get the job done. You know what I'm saying? Queen size bed, no problem. Then you come over here to this one, same deal. I think this is about the same dimensions, just flipped, where your closet's right there. So you can both get a shot out to the back. Let's see what's going on. What party's going on out there? Oh, okay, I'm in. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna go over here to linen closet, and then the bathroom, dual vanity, quartz countertops, WP, shower tub combo right there. Into the final room. That's actually a room. This one right here, kind of odd, but you can fit the queen in here, and then you can put probably like a desk or something like that over there, like that. Then you get your closet right here, bang, closet style. And then we're gonna go into this bonus room. I thought it was interesting because when I came in here to look at this, I was like, what is this thing? It's a bonus room. So you can do arts and crafts probably in here, be great. Chilling out room, reading, studying maybe. You know, you maybe have maybe you're going to college. Maybe your kids are going to school. Maybe you just need a place to study. Maybe this could be a great office. This would be my office. No doubt, this would be my office. Yeah, so great, let's go outside. Now we're heading outside to the back, covered porch, love that. It's fantastic. Big size yard in this one. I don't know that all of them will have this size yard, but it is big. All right, let me give you a shot of the back of the house, since, you know, if you're looking to buy this one, you might want to know what the back looks like. There you go, there's the back of the home. All right. So this was the Richardson Floor Plan from Mungo Homes in Buckhead East. If you have any questions about this home or any Mungo home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544.